expected more from you.
You know this place is haunted.
Are you sure?
I got an email. How did you? Was that?
Yeah.
Me too, bro.
Yeah, I got one. Me too.
It's our daughter.
She's been nervous lately. Anxious.
A little obnoxious. It's because of the password. She figured out the password.
Yellowstone 234.
I know, and we went to Yellowstone a year ago, and so of course she figured that out.
We should have aborted that plan months ago.
Months ago. But it's all about family for us.
It's about family.
Yeah.
It's in the basement.
What?
The noises that have been making her so anxious.
No, those are house noises.
Can you describe the noises?
Noises.
Just house noises.
It's not just house noises. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. It's for the ghosts.
Excuse me.
We're here to help you. I'm your bro. Come on.
Go check it out.
Turn around. Go, go, go.
What is it?
It's a prop.
It's a doll. Okay.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. What can...
We can give him 10 minutes.
We can give him 10 minutes. 10 minutes downstairs, they can look around, and we'll just... 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
They can stay down there for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean...
We can give him 10 minutes.
10 minutes is fine. They're not
They
going to hurt
couldn't
anything.
break anything.
Right, exactly. There's nothing they can get into or do that would get us into trouble or them into trouble
Yeah.
in 10 minutes.
Yeah. That would be fine. What can we do in 10 minutes?
They're okay, right?
They're fine.
They're fine down there. They can... She's getting rowdy. You know, let's
go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
I don't want to hear this anymore.
Let's go to our sanctuary.
Maybe they'll leave.
Maybe they'll leave on their own. They'll show
alone.
themselves out.
Yeah.
They can do. They're big
Yeah.
kids. They can do that. Let's go. Let's
go upstairs.
Let's go.
So, you YouTube freaks asked me to go to a genuine live haunted house. I'm here. This is what it looks like. And I've already had the crap scared out of me. So, thank you, my little followers who want me to do sadistic, twisted shit. Okay. Well, let's chat with you.
Guys, there's something here for sure. I can feel it, man.
I can feel it.
Yeah, it's not
Whoa!
anything up, but
How can you feel it?
wow, you know,
I didn't get it.
you don't get that eerie. It's like back here.
Why do we keep hiring amateurs?
ghosts?
I don't like this, Mark.
I know.
I want them out of my house.
I know, me too.
Would you get them out?
I can't. We're outnumbered.
God, their ratty little fingers
They're down
all
there
over my
touching
Christmas things.
all of our stuff.
This is gonna be their big expose.
I know.
These freaks with all of their holiday things and their ghosts.
It's not our fault. It's not our fault. They showed up on their own accord. We are just victims. We are innocent victims being taken advantage of. Yeah, you're right.
Mark, I miss Kelsey.
Me too.
Hi, guys. Hello?
So?
Did you guys find anything?
Oh, yeah, I mean, we found. I got lots of footage. Just if you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Get them out.
We really,
of
yeah,
my
we gotta
way.
get you out of here. We just gotta.
Yeah,
I mean,
you
we
guys
gotta
gotta
spend our
leave.
time in here without you guys. You're kind of just hindering the whole.
They know you're here. They don't
thing
want to
here,
show
you
us.
know.
They're
Take
trying to
me
be
out of my
respectful.
own bedroom?
Yeah, come on, guys.
Look at I mean,
We gotta.
Come on, this is
Come on,
my
let's,
room.
Come on.
Come on.
Don't
Come
touch
on.
me. Don't touch me.
I'll
Yeah,
go the
yeah.
dog. No one agreed on that theory but you.
We're staying here. We
Guys,
can't.
Guys, come on.
No,
I
you
don't
can
really
go.
know
No,
what-
yeah,
Why don't we stay in
need
our
more
own
time. We
bedroom?
need more time. Just a little more time. Come on.
Mark, Mark, this is
can't-
not acceptable. This is not acceptable being shoved out of our own house.
We're not trying to shove you. I mean,
I am being physically shoved right now.
no, you're misunderstanding.
Here we go. Good.
No, they're real. You touch their faces and find out they're not ghosts?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Shuts.
Let's do it.
Just let them. They're not gonna do anything. Just let them.
10 minutes, we said. Then they kicked us out of our own house.
And I wanted something to eat the donut. That's good.
I don't know. Maybe they're just boring.
When I set hands on both of them, they're anything but boring.
Maybe they're part of one of those violent sex ritual cults that we only find out about through survivors.
I don't get paid enough for that sort of shit.
Wait, you get paid?
Um,
And no commenting on that info. I know the way you think. Freaking perv. Have to eat it.
No, I think this runs deeper than that. There's something sad here.
Hallucinations from food. About halfway.
Please, I'm the one with the vision.
So what do you see? You're a hack.
What are you?
A historian. Major. But at least I looked at this house before I showed up. And what did you find?
It's okay. The booze burns off the bacteria and
Thought
all
so.
that.
Did none of you put any thought into what you were walking into?
It's no Amityville.
She didn't know the password. You did.
So did you. We don't have gremlins, Mark. Just a daughter. It's locked.
excuse me, Mr. Director. I'm trying. It's really hunted. I know.
What are you going to be keeping there? What do you think they're keeping in there?
Why is it locked though? All the doors are open, but this.
Hello? Little girl? You here?
She's dead.
That's neglectful. Maybe we could like crowbar her, kick it open.
Maybe there's some key or something.
Look under the carpet?
I'm good at this. Excuse me. Oh.
Oh. Should have tried the knob.
Sweet. Nice.
Definitely digging the animal print.
That's creepy.
I don't know why I agreed to this. You got two
We should
chins.
go.
There's no one here, guys.
Yeah. Alright.
She's gotta be here.
Guess
Some
not.
capacity.
Maybe I have to do this dare again.
This is my fault.
Mine too. They're here because of me. I didn't want to do this alone.
I know, me neither. You know, we've got to quit with the seances, the Ouija board, witch's brew, all of it. We've got to stop. I don't think it's working. Not the way we wanted it to.
Going through our stuff.
They're going through, they're touching everything.
Everything. We hired a bunch of tips.
We did. I know. It's like, I don't know how to get rid of them.
Oh, I know. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
No.
I'm just kidding.
That's not funny.
I'm just kidding.
That's not funny.
All clear, guys.
All clear, guys.
There's nothing in that house.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Well, this was fun, mother effers. See you on YouTube.
I'll send you the bill.
There is nothing in that house.
Have a good one, guys.
Let's go home.
Let's go to the bar.
I feel like we got conned.
If anything, we had to be cathartic.
They kind of banded against us.
Guys, we did good. You know, I feel like we really. Hold on.
Rewind it. Wait.
Right there. Right there.
That
Look.
no.
That
You
can't
see
be.
that?
Yeah, I see.
That-
That's
No.
no. That's really freaky, guys.
All right, now seriously,
way.
I've never seen that anything like that before in my life.
Gosh,
I'm
that's
doing this 18 years. That is.
Should we tell them?
We have to.
Should
I mean, that's.
showed them.
But they don't even want us to come back.
Well, but
No,
now
they've
that we
gotta
know
see
there's
this.
something that we need to do.
Well, she's in there. They want her there. Or something
That's
is.
true.
I don't know,
I mean,
guys. That is.
she is their daughter, right?
I mean, that's just
If
weird.
that is
It's
their
weird.
daughter, who knows what they've been up to?
But we should definitely tell
We
them.
have to tell them.
We need to tell them.
Okay.
Me too.
House noises.
House noises.
Come on, guys. Listen, please. We need to talk to you. We need to tell you this. You got to look at what we got on the footage. You've got to open the door.
Come on!
It's not about that.
Oh, yes, it is!
You know what's not about that? We need to help this people.
I didn't go in there for 2 hours and not come out with anything. Is there another way?
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice!
That's not funny.
I'm just kidding.